How to fix YouTube lagging on PC. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open any web browser on your device on your PC. Now click the search bar at top of the screen and type in the URL youtube.com. Now press enter on the keyboard. After a while, what you can do is fixing this YouTube lagging on PC ensures smoother video playback, providing better viewing experience without interruptions or delay. So let's search for any kind of videos here. Suppose, and after a while, when you click on any kind of channel and open their video, and there is interruption while playing back of any kind of video that YouTube is lagging on PC. So in order to fix this, first thing first, you need to remember that YouTube now has started leveling their anti-ad block program, which has been the ongoing issue. So in order to fix this, you need to click on the extensions at top right corner of the screen. Now click Manage Extensions. So if you got any kind of anti-ad block here on the screen under all extensions, what you need to do is simply click on the Remove button. And once you click on remove bottom, you need to go ahead and click remove once more time in order to confirm. And then after you remove the extension from here, it will notify you as on install. And after you need to search for other anti-ad blockers as well that is hindering the smoother of your videos on YouTube. So once you uninstall the different kinds of anti-ad blockers on your device, you need to simply uninstall them and fix YouTube lagging on PC. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.